Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete apps on Samsung. The first thing you do is you can delete an app from home screen also. So let's say I want to delete an app, let's say I want to delete let's find an app, let's say I want to delete Work Talent. Now I can do that from the home screen by pressing down on it like this, and you can see the option for uninstall, or you can tap on the information icon up there to take me to the settings here, and on the bottom here you have the option for uninstall. Now another way it can be done in case you don't have the app on your home screen is to slide up to the app. So we'll look for Work Talent. Here's Work Talent. Here it is. Press down on it like this, and you see the option for uninstall, which is the third option here. You can do it from here, or tap on the information icon, and then at the bottom here tap on uninstall. And once you tap on uninstall, say do you want to install this app? If you do, tap on OK. That's all it takes. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.